नमस्कार. पलाशग्नी स्टुडिओजच्या आमोरी ह्या कार्यावळीच्या आयच्या भागात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. टॉफी डूडल, इंडियाज लॉंग लास्टिंग पायनियरिंग प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह फ्री ब्रँड हाणें गोंयांतूच न्ही तर गोंया भायर पुराय भारतांत आपलें नांव केलां. आज आमी मेळटा टॉफी डूडल हांच्या ओनर्सांक मिस्टर विराज हेदे आनी समीरा भट हेदे हांकां. Welcome Viraj and Samira to this episode.
Thank you so much, Yoga.
Thank you so much. Pleasure is all ours.
So, टॉफी डूडल हाजी जर्नी केन्नाच्यान सुरू जाली?
Okay. So, Toffee Doodle journey starts in 2017 when Viraj he conceptualized it in his IHM canteen. So basically, Popa Geller, I think he's a chef. So basically तो पळोवपाक गेल्यार it started way back in 2010 तेन्ना तो घरा पुडिंग्स करतालो every Sunday नाजाल्यार केन्ना केन्ना family dinner बी आसतालो. So that spark I think started there. I think
so
he'll be able to answer better.
Yeah, so it's almost 15 years this journey has been. Actually, how it started, I had this passion for food. And माझी जी complete journey asa being a chef, learning more about food started since my childhood. So आमी custard करता पळय घरा कडेन, custard powder. So आमी घरा कडेन पयलीं खूब करताले, म्हाका तें खूब आवडटालें. आनी I was very passionate about cooking. So looking at this, my father, he suggested me, why don't you learn more about food? So हांवें IHM केलें from IHM Hyderabad. And the whole recipes got started since then. Actually, the actual conceptualization that Toffee Doodle was in my MBA college, Goa Institute of Management. So I was puddings in canteen and sell kartalo. So students from different parts of the states, okay, they were there. So thunchan full start and officially I 2017 and Goan start kela.
Okay. And of all the desserts, म्हाका अशें curiosity जाला की why pudding?
Oh, so puddings actually if you see Indian palate, right, it matches very much to the Western culture to some extent. At burgers, pizzas, pastas, at waffles. So puddings ho a category jasa pa uzun Indian absent asa. I am completely passionate about puddings. I love custards. So there are different types of puddings in each cuisines of the world. So ई category जी आसा जी Indian absent आसा, and I feel this category can actually become big going forward. So puddings जी आसा पळय आता Belgian waffle जेन्ना पडटा 2005 जे start जाला, we feel that we are currently at that stage, and 5 years down the line this can become a mainstream category.
Okay. And from puddings, how did this name come to birth, like Toffee Doodle?
We had a lot of options actually.
Yeah.
Toffee R, Toffee Tom, आणि Toffee आणि कितें आशिल्लें. But at the end of the day, we stuck to Toffee Doodle because toffee means something sweet at the end of the day, and doodle means art. So we want to say ki we in our puddings there's art and it's sweet.
Okay. आणि तुम्ही म्हळें की 2017 यू ऑल स्टार्टेड आणि मागीर 2019-20 कोविड आयलें, पेंडेमीक आयलें. सो सडनली एब्रप्टली यू ऑल हॅड टू समवेअर गिव इट अ ब्रेक एंड देन रीडू इट. सो ही सगळी जर्नी कशी आशिल्ली तुमची?
Actually कितें जालें की vision was to cater pan India, make this a global brand, and still now our aim is to make Toffee Doodle the global best and biggest pudding brand. So shelf life was the biggest pain point or a bottleneck. So आमी आता all over India the supply करता, we have to appoint distributors. So जेन्ना आमी start केलें, shelf life was just 7 days. We could not scale up outside Goa. आणि it required continuous refrigeration. So आमी गोंयचे भितरूच उरताले for almost 3 years, 17 to 20 पर्यंत. So COVID टायमाचेर it actually was like a boon in disguise म्हणटा. So we took a break. We did a lot of R&D for almost 2 years. Finally, we got a process where we unlocked the shelf life, and now we are available in most of the cities.
Okay. And from making the recipes at home to making it an entrepreneurial business, ही जर्नी ह्या जर्नी बद्दल कितें सांगपाक सोदता?
जर्नी एज इन भितरल्यान पयलींच्यान आशिल्लें कितें तरी करपाचें.
तो किडो आशिल्लो बेसिकली.
Yeah, so actually I was planning to start a dessert cafe soon after my IHM. But my family, especially my sister, so she told me that this is the time to learn.
Yeah.
And I know about food, but I had no clue about how to market a brand, how to manage finances, how to manage the business as a whole. So then I MBA केले, and that time we got a lot of exposure towards the business part.
आणि हे सगळे करतना इनोव्हेशन आणि स्केलेबिलिटी, सो
Yeah.
हाज्यामध्ये जगल कशें करप जाता तुमचें?
So innovation always is आमच्यातून. Even now we are planning on different categories of puddings. So innovation is a part of Toffee Doodle. In fact, we have two strong pillars. One is innovation, the product itself, and second is the branding.
Yeah.
We always focus on these two pillars. We never sacrifice on this.
If you see our packaging, it is a whole package in its own. So तातून lid असता, spoon असता, तुका कांयच करपाची गरज ना. It's a pick and go. केन्नाय कोणाक भूक लागता, we also call our puddings as dessert snack. It's like when you have it, you become full. तुका आनी काय गरज लागना. And it is nutritious in a way because आमी whole milk use करता, milk cream use करता, no preservatives, and eggless असा. So worldwide acceptability भी असा. So our main focus is always on the packaging. Bare packaging दिवपाचे, good MRP, and also we keep innovating. So right now we are going to launch new flavors soon.
Actually, right now, if you see, anyone when we introduce Toffee Doodle, right? सगळ्यांक एकच क्वेश्चन असता की तुमचो मिल्क प्रोडक्ट,
हय.
but 12 months shelf life, that too without refrigeration, कशें आसता? So this was continuously in our minds की आमी जे पयली टॉफी डॉल करताले, जे 7 days shelf life आशिल्लो, without preservatives, without any additives, तेच core values आमकां maintain करपा आशिल्ले with shelf life.
हय.
So ते आमी achieve केले.
आणि हे सगळे करता आसतना वॉट आर द डिफरंट फ्लेवर्स दॅट यू हॅव टार्गेटेड, म्हणजे खंयचे खंयचे फ्लेवर्स आसा टॉफी डुडलान?
Right now we have creme caramel flavor, brigadeiro. It's a Brazilian dark chocolate pudding. Bulbul म्हणून आसा, it's a desi pudding आमी म्हणटात ताका. It's a fusion of rabdi and kulfi. आणि last is mocha, silky mocha. Mocha is a fusion of chocolate and coffee. So if you have any restaurant or any supermarket in and around Goa, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Delhi, you can always contact us on 9763553066. These are the puddings. So these are the 4 flavors. This is bulbul. It's a fusion of rabdi kulfi. This is the creme caramel pudding. This is the silky mocha pudding, and this is the chocolate brigadeiro.
ओके. अँड वाईल डीलिंग आता तुम्ही म्हटले की न्यूट्रिशियस असा
हय.
आणि इट्स व्हेरी फिलिंग.
Yes.
सो हे सगळे विथ न्यूट्रिशन, विथ स्केलेबिलिटी, तुम्ही एन्व्हायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी कितें मेंटेन केला इन युअर लायक पॅकेजिंग?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you see our cups, आमचे cups completely recyclable.
Recyclable. Yes.
Cups actually one of the main parameters आमकां shelf life मेळपा खातीर. So each cup आमचो 13 layersaचो आसता. We import it directly from Europe. आणि even the seal जो आसा न्ही, that is made up of 13 layers, आणि it's completely recyclable. Every aspect. So from point of view of environment, yes.
Just take small story. So actually me and Viraj, we had gone to someone's house, some faraway guest, relative म्हणू शकता. So जेन्ना आमी गेल्ली तेन्ना I just went to the washroom. So तांच्या घरा भितर गेले तेन्ना I was so shocked. Like I didn't even think about it. आमचे जे cups असता पळय, आणि खाऊन they actually used our cups to store their spices,
Yeah.
condiments. सगळे you can say कितें ते मिरयो, मागीर इलायची अशें. So it was like nice. You can use it, right? Reuse करपाक
Yeah,
जाता.
so that is the biggest message that you
Exactly.
can give away
Yes.
today.
Yes.
Yeah, it's sturdy, it's reusable as well as
Reusable.
recyclable.
And in terms of business, like to me, distribution or expansion, what you are thinking next about all these things?
We have a lot of milestones from the business standpoint, from product standpoint. Product wise, we want to create a universe of puddings. प्रत्येक निडा खातीर एक पुडिंग्स आमी प्लॅन करता. आतां सद्या जे पुडिंग्स आसा दे आर मेजरली गॉर्मे फोकस्ड. सो वी हॅव अदर फ्लेवर्स लायक आतां आमच्यात नवी सिरीज येता विच इज कम्प्लिटली फोकस्ड ऑन फ्रूट फ्लेवर. आनी तातूंत जे इनोवेशन जे आसा ते आमी एका प्रोडक्टांतल्यान आमी 2 लेयर सेपरेट करता. एक वॉटर बेस्ड जेली आनी क्रीम बेस्ड जेली. सो क्रीम एंड वॉटर बेस्ड जेली हे दोन्ही एका कपान भितर आसतले. एंड दिस एंटायर सिरीज विल बी फ्रूट बेस्ड. After that, we are planning for a nutrition based completely, more towards nutrition, like no sugar, like protein based puddings. Other than protein bars, protein shakes. So we are working on a protein based.
Something for health freaks. So जिमान वता लोक and they always crib about काय गोड खावपाक मेळना. So we are thinking about something in that way.
And in that sense, like, what is the major audience that you will target? Like
Right now.
Right now, yeah.
Right now, so our audience target is somewhere from the age of, you can say, 18 to, there is no age, you can till the end. I mean, अशे तरेन आसा की
आमचे स्टोरीज खूप आसा.
Story.
Any story that you all want to share? Like,
one of the stories actually ki one father, okay, he called us almost at 12 o'clock at night. So तो म्हणपाक लागलो की आपल्याला चलो जो आसा ही लव्स युअर पुडिंग्स आनी पुडिंग खाल्या शिवाय तो न्हिदना.
रडटा.
सो आमकां 11:30 कॉल आयलो तुमचे पुडिंग्स खंय मेळटले काय म्हणून. सो तेन्ना आमचे फक्त सुपर मार्केट्सान चड आसताले. सो आतां म्हळ्यार आतां पळय सगळे सुपर मार्केट्स बंद जाला बट 1-2 रेस्टॉरंट्सान तुमकां मेळूं शकता पूण ते बी बंद जाल्ले. सो आमी त्या दिसा 12:30 रातचे स्पेशली ताच्या घरा वचून पुडिंग्स डिलिव्हर
आमचे
केले.
वेअरहाऊस जातले.
okay. So with that we come to this question की where are you all actually based आणि तुमचे खंय खंय distribution आसा across what are the areas?
Okay, so currently in Goa we are available in 165 restaurants and 35 supermarkets. Apart from Goa, we have scaled up to Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and recently we have launched in Delhi.
Okay. That's a great thing. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
आणि तुमचे असेच अक्रॉस इंडिया सुद्धा वचून या.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
सो हे सगळे करतना कन्सिस्टंट क्वालिटी अक्रॉस द बॅचीस तुम्ही कशे मेंटेन करता?
सो आमी एन्श्योर करता की एवरी प्रोडक्शनाक हांव आनी विराज वता. आमी आमचो प्रेझेन्स थंय आसताच टू मॉनिटर एवरी सिंगल थिंग फ्रॉम प्रोक्युरमेंट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स टील वेन द बॅच इज मिक्स्ड. आमची बॅच करता तेन्ना टील द फायनल पॅकेजींग आमचे प्रेझेन्स आसताच. एवरी मंथ आमी वता.
To add to this, आमची फॅक्टरी जी आसा that is HACCP and ISO certified.
Oh, wow.
And each process जो आसा the entire process basically 13 quality checks जाता from the raw material till final goods जे भायर वता मार्केटान. From the start to end 13 quality checks आमी करता. And after the production we keep the product for almost 2 weeks जे आमी microbial testing करता, chemical testing करता to ensure जी shelf life आमी claim करता ती actual मेळटा कस्टमराक.
Okay. आणि what is the secret behind this 12 months preservative?
If you see, technology is very similar to Tetra Packs जी तुमकां आतां दिसता Amul Taza milk नाजाल्यार तो fresh cream जी boxing Tropicana juice, right? It's not exactly Tetra Pak, but the science is we sterilize the product. For example, खंयचें food ना जेवण तें पेड्ड्यार जाता, right? It's because of microbes. सो जर मायक्रोब्सूच ना जाल्यार फूड पेड्ड्यार जावंक शकना. सो आमचो जो 2 पॅरामिटर्स आसता. फर्स्ट इज द सील एंड सेकंड इज द प्रोडक्ट. सो आमी जे कप आसा ते अशे तरेन सील करता की आउटसायड एटमॉस्फियर डजंट कम इनसायड.
There's no interference.
हय, वन्स वी सील आउटसायड एटमॉस्फियर भितर वचना आनी एकदां सील करतकीर वी कुक द प्रोडक्ट एट 122 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो ह्या टेम्परेचराचेर सगळे मायक्रोब्स मरता. सो द होल प्रोडक्ट बिकम स्टरायल.
So basically it is something like pasteurizing the product.
Correct. In a way, yes. But तातून multiple factors आसा. आता cups तुका सांगले तशे 13 layers आसा ताचे. So outside atmosphere भितर वचना. If you see normal cup ना even tetra जी pet bottles आता कोकाचे आता. They are at microscope level.
They
porous असता.
Yes.
भायलो वारो भितर वता. Bislary bottles असतात. पाटली वारे भितर वता. But आमचे जे cups आसा, these are different technology. They are called barrier technology.
Okay. So with that, I come to a personal question ki, as a founder, what are the lessons that you all have learned throughout this journey?
तू सांगता?
Okay, lessons. I can just say that, you know, of course there's a lot of time to reach that goal that we have both seen and envisioned, but every day teaches you something or the other. No, not one day is alike for both of us. खंयचोय दीस काड फाटले कॅलेंडरान एक दीस सुद्दां असो आसना की बाबा इट इज रिपिटेड ने अशें जाला पयलीं ना. सो एवरी डे इज अ लेसन फॉर अस आय फील, आनी तातूंतल्यानूच आमी इन्स्पिरेशन घेता. एंड आय ऑलवेज बिलीव यू एटलीस्ट थ्रू आउट दीस जर्नी वेन आय वॉज नॉट एन ऑन्टरप्रेनर ऑनेस्टली. हांव जेन्ना आयलें हातून तेन्ना इट वॉज a very new thing for me, and it was hard initially. but तो अशें मायंडसेटान आशिल्लो पयलीं की ना आपल्याक हे जाय आपूण हे अशें करतलो, बट आय वॉज नॉट तशें नाशिल्लें. सो आफ्टर वी got married and once I was there fully into this, I feel ki putting your head down, working every single day, and at the end of the day you ask yourself, दिला 100% दिला तुवें, केन्ना केन्ना दिना जायना ऑफकोर्स, बट नेक्स्ट डे तूं उठ्ठा आनी परते यू जस्ट हॅव युअर सेल्फ टू पॅट ऑन द बॅक एंड से गेट अप, यू हॅव टू डू इट. खूब वाचले मोटिवेशन, इन्स्पिरेशन, रिल्स पळयले, खूब इंस्टाग्रामार पळयले, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तूं जेन्ना उठून ते डिसिप्लिनान तूं करता पळय, दॅट इज वॉट मॅटर्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
That's a very
So main is the focus and the discipline.
Yes.
जे तुमचे vision आसा ताजेर focus रावपाक.
So with all this, we move to our most awaited round
Okay.
of the interview, that is rapid fire.
Okay.
So first question is for you.
Okay.
Which is your favorite pudding flavor from your brand?
It is like asking which is your favorite child. Okay, I'll say it, but it is mocha. I love mocha.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, for you, which was the most difficult step in developing this business?
Of course the shelf life, आणि at par म्हणटा तशें during the COVID time we had to pivot the entire business model from an FMCG brand, and we started a whole new concept of a cafe to sustain ourselves.
Yes.
Okay. Who is your biggest source of inspiration?
Okay. I don't have an inspiration as such, but I look up to many people who have achieved a lot in their own respective fields, because everybody's journey is to their own, correct? So thode pick karta, and I think I inspire myself and he inspires me the most. I look at him every day, his hustle, and to janna utta tanna I get that strength, to work even harder.
And with that, like in the FMCG sector, like who do you look up to as your inspiration?
Actually, I love seeing the D2C brands that's coming in. If you see every quarter, right? आता आमी जशें म्हणटा तशें जे आमकां सर्व करपाक जाय, right? So those type of niche brands, okay, they come, they get launched. So I love to see their stories. It's majorly relatable to how we go.
And if I ask you to choose between innovation and scalability, then which one would you choose and why?
Innovation.
And why innovation?
It's fun to know what trends keep changing at the end of the day, and you're always on that edge ki okay लोकांक हे आज आवडटा ना फाल्यां ते आवडटा, so it keeps us also active. Yeah,
Actually both are strong pillars of
both
business.
are strong pillars, but I would choose innovation.
Okay, and what is your like quality control mantra of Toffee Doodle?
Quality control mantra, okay. This is consistency, I feel.
Yes.
जर आमी बरे ना सुद्दां जाल्यार I don't break my head to be perfect, but even if we can get better next day, we prefer being consistent.
Okay, and which was the first market move that you made?
First market move, we got started in a supermarket chain called Borkus in 2017. There we were actually on the field, म्हणटा तशें आमचे own Toffee Doodle fridges आसताले, आनी आमी फ्रिजा सायडीन समिरान हांव उबे रावन ते
हय.
मार्केटिंग प्रमोशन्स करताले. आमी नवें पुडिंग लॉन्च केला, ट्राय करात. So
Seradura launch.
that was our first actual offline marketing, and it's a memorable one.
Okay, that's great. So with that, we wrap up this rapid fire.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So moving to the final part of this conversation, where do you all see a Toffee Doodle in the next 5 years?
You can answer.
So in the next 5 years, our aim is to be available in at least 1 lakh restaurants. We are currently focusing on HoReCa industry. We have certain milestones, as I told you. So 1 lakh restaurant is what we are targeting. Apart from that, we are looking to have a standalone Toffee Doodle stores as well. At least 1,000 retail market and almost every metro city in India.
Okay. Wishing you all the very best for
Thank
that.
you. Thank you
you.
so much.
Yeah, and thank you so much for joining today. We had a really great time.
Thank you
having
so
a
much.
The
Conversation.
pleasure is
We got
ours.
Toffee Doodle for you.
Thank you so much. So thanks to all our audience for watching this episode. So if you all have liked, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.